will sing of the goodness of God. Thank you, Sir Marvin. Thank you. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Thank you, Miss Lisa. Oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. Thank you. Goodness of God. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko na worship song. So, yeah. Maraming salamat po.